In today's challenging economy, solopreneurs and small online business owners face unique obstacles. But what if we told you that earning $60,000 in just 4 weeks could be a game changer? Here's why this amount is vital for your success in the current economy. Rapid growth potential. $60,000 in 4 weeks represents a significant boost to your revenue stream. It can provide the necessary funds to fuel your business expansion, invest in new products or services, and attract more customers. Financial stability. With $60,000 in hand, you can better navigate the ups and downs of the economy. It offers a safety net, ensuring you have enough cash flow to cover expenses, unexpected costs, and personal needs, providing peace of mind during uncertain times. Increased flexibility. As a solopreneur or small business owner, having a sizable income within a short time frame allows you to take control of your schedule. It gives you the freedom to prioritize growth initiatives, delegate tasks, or invest in resources that can streamline your operations, ultimately freeing up your time. Building a strong reputation. Generating $60,000 in just 4 weeks demonstrates your ability to deliver results. This achievement enhances your credibility and reputation within your industry, attracting more clients, partnerships, and opportunities for future growth. Don't underestimate the significance of earning $60,000 in 4 weeks. It's a transformative milestone that can elevate your business to new heights. Discover the power of simplified email marketing techniques and unlock the potential to achieve this vital financial goal. Start your journey towards success today. nubeginning.com. Empowering solopreneurs and small business owners to thrive in the current economy.